Has your stomach ever growled loudly at the most embarrassing possible moment? Here's exactly why that happens. Stomach growling, called Borborygmi, is caused by peristalsis, the rhythmic wave-like contractions of muscles lining your digestive tract. These muscles constantly squeeze and relax to move food, liquid, and gas through your gut, even when you're not eating. When you're hungry, the brain releases a hormone called ghrelin, which triggers extra contractions. With less food to muffle the sound, your empty stomach becomes an echo chamber. So a growling stomach isn't just hunger. It's your digestive system running its self-cleaning cycle. Subscribe for daily medical facts.